Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we are here for learning science. So, till now we learn about animals, plants and food and cleanliness, and we continue our lesson number 6. So, let's start our today's lesson. As you know, I am your science teacher Basira Miss from Mahadi School, and we learn about food and shelter of animals. So today we continue our lesson number 6 but with new topic. So our today's topic is shelter of animals. So today we learn about shelter of animals. Before we start our today's lecture, let's see one beautiful line. So, here you can see one poster. First line is yesterday, second now, and third tomorrow. So, whenever you do anything, suppose you are doing study, so you think in your mind that I do tomorrow this homework, but you have to do homework now, not yesterday or not tomorrow. So you have to do this now. So in every work you have to apply this, that not yesterday, not tomorrow, only now. So let's start our today's topic. So we continue which lesson? Remember which lesson we learn? Yes, lesson number 6. And what is the name of this lesson? Food and shelter of animals. So in this we learn about different kind of animals and food of them, right? So our today's topic is what we learn today. Today we learn about shelter of animals. So we already learn about food of animals, right? We learn different kind of food which animals eat. So till now we learn about animals that eating seeds, animals that eating plant, animals that eat flesh of other animals. We also learn about insects and worms, and which animals eat insects and worms, right? In previous lecture we learn about food of animals and which food? Flesh. So in previous lecture we learn about animals that eat flesh. So first we learn that what is flesh. In previous lecture we learned that flesh means meat, not flashlight or not torchlight, right? So we learn that meat of animals or meat of dead animals. So we called it flesh. We see the different types of meat. Animals eat meat of other animals and animal eat food, flesh, right? So we learn about flesh. Some animals eat meat of other animals. We learn about different kind of animals. We also learn that some animals kill other animals, then eat, and some animals are eat dead animal. So let's see that from where they get their food. We learn that they are not buying their meat from market like us. We are going to buy meat in meat market, right? So they are roaming in forest. And how they get their meat? Some animals roam in forest and kill small animals and eat flesh of these animals. And some animals are eat flesh which left by that animals. For example, when lion feel hungry, lion going in forest to find their meat, right? Means their food. When lion feel hungry, lion going in forest and kill or attack on small animals like deer, goat and many others. Then lion eat as lion want, right? So the left body eaten by other animals like crow, bear, and many other. So some animals kill and eat meat, when some animals eat the meat which left over by that animal. Some animals eat fish. So fish meat is also a flesh, right? Then we learn that which animals eat flesh. First we learn about what is flesh, then we learn about which animals eat flesh. So which animals eat? First is king of the forest, lion, right? So lion is most dangerous animal. So we learn about different kind of animals. So first is lion. That lion kills small animals. Lion can also kill elephant, crocodile and many others, but mostly lion kill animals which are roaming in forest. Lion not kill water animals like crocodile and snake, because lion need more food. So lion attack on animal when lion is hungry. If lion is not hungry, they are not attack on anyone. So remember, if you not harass lion, then lion not attack on you. But if lion is hungry, lion will attack on you. So here we see yesterday some pictures of animals that lion attack on them. Then they are eating together. They have families like us. So here they are eating together. So when lion eat this animal, and when they are full their stomach, they left that animal as it is there. Then animals like fox and many other are eat that flesh of animal. So one thing more about lion is there, that if you are roaming in forest and if you see lion around you, so you have to be careful, and because lion is very dangerous animal. So then we see the picture of tiger. That tiger is our national animal, and tiger is also one of the animals which is dangerous for us. So we see that tiger and lion are animals that are attack on animals when they are feeling hungry. If they are not hungry, they cannot harm anyone, right? So we see the picture that tiger is eating meat. Tiger is attack on deer. Some tigers are also living in mountains, ice mountains. So here you can see the picture of tiger. Then we learn about leopard, which is one of the fastest animal, and they are also eating flesh, right? We learn all these things in previous lecture, that they are attack on water animal also. So here you can see the picture of leopard. Then they are eating food on tree. So mostly they are living on tree. They roam in forest when they feel hungry. They are not eating dead animals. First they kill them, then they eat. Then we learn about jaguar. We learn about three cats: tiger, leopard and jaguar. And tiger is biggest cat, right? So you can see that three of them are looking same, but they are different from each other. So we learn that they eat flesh. So here you can see the picture of that they are killing water animals also, like snake and crocodile. Then we learn that some animals eat flesh and plants both. right? So yesterday we learned about two animals. One is eating flesh of other animals and second is animals that eat flesh and plant both. We also learned that animals like bear and crow also known as a cleaner of the forest. How? Because when lion and tiger kill other animals and eat flesh, and when they left over that flesh eat deer and crocodile or many other animals, and that flesh bear and crow eat and they clean the forest by that, right? So we see the picture of bear which is eating flesh. Fish is bear's favorite food, but bear is eat only brain of fish. They catch the fish from river, living fish, then they take out brain of it and eat, then they left fish again in water. So bear eat brain of fish. Then we see the picture of bear which is eating flesh. Bear is also eating plants, vegetables like pumpkin, watermelon and many others, and honey. Honey is bear's favorite food. Then we learn about crow. Crow is one of the animal which is eating seeds also, which is eating insects and worms also, which is eating plants also, and which is eating flesh of other animals. So we see the picture of crow. So what we learn today, our today's topic is shelter of animals. So we already learned about shelter, that what is shelter, and today we learn that which animals live in open forest, right? So let's see that what is shelter. So I hope you all remember what is shelter. Shelter is a place where we can live very safely from wind, heat, cold and everything. So a place where we can living safely. So where we all are living? We all are living in house. So shelter means house. So like us, animals also have shelter, but they are not making their house. They don't buy bricks and cements and make house. Their house are different from us. So here you can see the picture of shelter or house, right? This we learn in first lecture of lesson number 6. So we all are living in house, right? So like us, animals also live in proper place. Like we all are not living in forest. We need house like that. Animals not living in house like us. They need forest. So let's see that which animals live and where they are living. Homes that animals live in. Animals live in different places, like fish living in water, when tiger living in forest, and birds living on tree, right? So most animals live in forest. Forest is animals living place. We cut forest for our benefits, for our advantage, and we make their buildings for our use. But the forest is home of animals. So they are living in open forest. Now first, when we learn about living place of animals, we need to learn that what is forest. So let's see what is forest. I know you all know that what is forest. So let's see, forest is a large area, right? So the big area, then how it's look, covered with trees and plants. We all know that animals are living in forest, and forest is a place with trees and plants. So when we see movies like Lion King and many other which is on animals, so we see that they are living in forest. So forest is covered with trees. Some forests also have mountains and rivers. So today we learn about forest, different types of forest, and some animals which are living in forest, right? So first let's see about forest. So here you can see the large area, you can see the very big land, right? Here you can see all this large area. What is this? Large area. So forest means large area. So when we see garden, that gardens are also have trees and plants, right? So we can call garden forest. Yes or no? No. Why? Because garden is small area, when forest is very big area. That's why we called it large area. Large means big. So large area covered with trees. Here you can see the other picture of forest. So when we see trees around us or trees in garden, we cannot call the garden forest. Why? Because garden is small area when forest is big area. So the place, large place and covered with trees, we called it forest. Now I give you one example, that when we see Victoria Park in our city, right? So we have Victoria Park in our city, and second is garden, Crescent Circle Garden or Goga Circle Garden. So these all are gardens. So you can now identify that Victoria Park is forest. Why? Because it is very large area, and we cut some Victoria Park because we cut trees and all this, and we make their mall, right? So it is very large area. And when Goga Circle is very small area, Goga Circle is garden and Victoria Park is forest. So now there is a difference between garden and forest. What is different? That forests are large or big, they are covered with trees. So let's see some picture. You can see here, you can only see trees and plants. So now you can understand that area which covered with trees and big area called forest. So lion, tiger and other animals can live in forest, can live in Victoria Park, but they are not living in Goga Circle Garden or Crescent Circle Garden, right? So now you can understand what is forest and what is garden. There is a difference between them. In this world there are different kind of forest. They are very different from each other. So when we learn about forest, we also learn that some river forest. Now you think in your mind that what is river forest? River forest means forest with rivers. So like all living things, animals also living things, they need food and water, right? So when they need water, they are going in forest and find the river. They roam in forest and find the river and drink water. So rivers are in forest. Why? Because animals need to drink and they drink water. So forest with rivers, we called it river forest. So here you can see the picture of one river forest. You can see beautiful picture of forest and there is a river. So some forests have rivers and some forests have streams inside forest. So here you can see the picture of forest with streams. Then the second forest is mountain forest. So as we know that some animals like deer are living on mountains on ice mountains also. So they are living in mountain forest. So forest which are on mountains, we called it mountain forest. Right? So these are the picture of mountain forest, and here you can see the picture of mountain and river both. So that type of forest are in our world. So we have to save forest, we have to save trees also, we have to save water also, because these all things are need for us and help us to many way. Now our today's second topic is most animals live in open forest. So first we learn about forest. Now we learn that which animals live in forest. So some animals, not some, most of the animals are living in open forest. So in further times they have large area of forest, but right now we all cut the trees and we use that land for our benefits, right? So I give you the example of Victoria Park, that Victoria Park is very large area, but now we cut half of them and we make their malls and houses for our use, right? So when some animals make shelter in forest, so some make shelter, some make home in forest, and some live in open forest. So let's see that most animals live in open forest. Here you can see the picture of forest. That forest we called it open forest, right? So let's see the animals which are living as it is in forest. That animals living in open forest means they are not finding caves, they are not making nest, they are not making burrows and all these things, they live as it is. So let's see that animals live in open forest, they not make shelter. Which are they? Deer, giraffes, rhinos, horses and elephant. So these all are animals which are eating plants. Remember when we learn about different kind of food which animals eat, that plant eating animals. So which are the deer, giraffe, rhinos, horses and elephants. We learn all these things that they are eating grass or plant or vegetables and fruits. So these all animals are living in open forest. Now how they are living? When I show you some pictures, you can understand that they are living in open forest. So first picture is picture of deer. Here you can see the beautiful deers, right? So where they are living, where they are standing, you can see here. What is this? Plants, right? So where we see plants and trees? In forest, right? So what is this? It is deer and they are living in open forest. Now you can see that they are living in open forest because they are not making any home, they are not making nest, they are not living in caves. So here you can see some pictures of deers which are roaming in forest, they are eating food and they are drinking water also. Here you can see when they feel thirsty, they are going near to river and drink water. So like us, they are also living in family. So when we see animals, we have to understand that they all are living in families like us. They are eating together, drinking water together. So they are also live like us. Then second animal is, which animal it is? Yes, giraffe. And tallest animal, right? We learn this. So giraffe is one of the animal which is eating plant, right? And where giraffe is standing, you can see the area covered with plants and trees. So they are living in open forest. You can see here that they are living in open forest, right? So here is family of giraffe which are living together. They are roaming in forest. When they feel hungry, they are going for eating and they live in forest. Then third animal is zebra. So we learn about zebra, that we know on road we can say zebra crossing. Why we called it zebra crossing? Because zebra crossing has two color like zebra. So here is zebra, and again you can see that zebra is standing in forest. They are roaming in forest. When they feel hungry, they are eat and they roam in forest. Here you can see they are drinking water, right? So zebra is one of the animal which are living in open forest. See, here you can see that they are resting in forest. So we learn that zebra is living in open forest. Then which animal it is? Big animal. Which is? Yes, it is elephant. So elephant is one of the animal which is we kept with us also as pet. So animal living in open forest also and living with us also, right? So today we learn that elephant live in open forest, but in next lecture we learn about where they are living when they are living with us as pet, right? So here is picture of elephant. So elephant like water. They mostly take bath and play with water, right? So mostly near river they are living. So here you can see the picture of elephant which is in river. So elephant live in river forest also. Mostly in our country they are finding in south area of our country, right? So here you can see the picture of elephant. So they are roaming in forest. Here you can see some pictures of baby elephant which are playing. Like you all are small and playing like that, elephants are also playing. So here you can see the picture of baby elephant which is playing with his brother. You can see the smile on face of baby elephant. So they have feelings like us. So here let's see some pictures. Baby elephant is playing and running, right? So you can understand that what they are doing here. Elephant is playing with ball. So they are big, that's why they need big ball, right? So you can see that how they are living in forest, right? Then next is rhinos. Now these are the animals which are found in Africa. They have horns on their face. Here you can see the picture of horn on their face. We called it rhinoceros. So here is picture. They are also living in forest, open forest. They eat plants, right? Also they like water like elephant. Let's see some pictures. Here you can see the picture that they are playing in water. Mostly they are found in water because they can live on water, and they mostly in water. Here you can see the family, the small baby and to big animal, right? Then next is horse. So horse is also one of the animal which we kept with us as pet. So they are also living in forest. So here you can see that horse is roaming in forest. So they are eating food and eat plant in their food, right? So here you can see the area covered with trees. So it means this is forest. Horse are also found near sea because they like atmosphere of sea. So what we learned today, we learned that some animals are living in open forest. We learn about forest, that river forest, mountain forest, and animals like deer, giraffe, horses, elephant, and many others are living in open forest. So I hope you all understand. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.